Welcome back to another interesting tutorial about TikTok app. And in today's video, I'm going to show you how to put a clickable link in your bio on your TikTok profile or your TikTok account. Let me show you how. The very first thing you want to do is to go ahead and open up your TikTok app. After you open up your TikTok app, next thing you want to do is to go ahead and click on your profile. The next thing you want to do is to go ahead and click on edit. Then go ahead and click on your bio section. So like for instance, this particular message right here, I'm going to add a clickable link to it. So for that, go ahead and copy your link. So I have my link right here. So I'm going to use my YouTube channel link. So open up my YouTube app. Then click on my profile. Then view channel. Then for me to get the URL link of the channel, click on these three dots from the top corner. Then go ahead and click on share. Then go ahead and click on copy link. Once I copy the link, I'll go back to TikTok right here. And go ahead and paste the link right here. Once I paste the link, I will go ahead and hit on save right here. You can put any type of link, whether YouTube link or Facebook link or what have you. Once you put the link, go back to your profile and then you find the link right here. So anybody that visits your TikTok profile, they can easily click on the link and it will redirect to the particular link that you had into your bio right here. It's that simple. For more useful tutorial, tips and tricks about how best to use TikTok app, consider to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.